kids and comedy family, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Ivy and I'm 4 years old. Today we're going to be making rainbow smoothie. We're going to make frozen fruit, which is blueberry, peach, strawberries, and mango and kiwi. We're going to need a cup, milk, yogurt, and a blender. Now, add all of the yogurt, get up the bowl, all of it, and then we're gonna add more for the next. Splash. Okay. We're gonna do this 5 times, each of a different kind of fruit. Love the milk. Love, 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 love. The lid on, you put it on here.
Yep.
So this one, and this one.
Okay.
So let's put it up.
That's the other one.
And this one is.
Keep going.
Here's your purple layer. Put it in the fridge or freezer. I want to put it in the freezer. Where's our freezer? Oh, for next, we're going to do green and start with milk. This is the second layer. We're going to use this. We're going to do the same thing. We'll have the whole of this. And you may have to put your kiwi. You also can broccoli. You can use vegetables or we're using fruit.
Okay.
Like this, right?
Yep. You can do it.
I'll do the.
It's looking a little bit thin, but let's see what happens. Oh, whoops. Oopsies. Okay, try again. Oh, okay, keep pouring, pour.
You can do the latter parts. No? And then you put it on. And then put it in. And then the part. I let mommy do the lid because she's my helper.
Thank you. Okay, good.
You can put some work. This?
Yeah. Oh, see, it pops right in. The picture of that. So
Where's
see
more?
how we have our rainbow layering there happening?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna take that back into the freezer, let this freeze, okay?
Okay. Put some milk and all the quarter
Half cup of fruit.
and all of the fruit that you can get. Let's just use a little bit of these. Black color. And then milk, strawberries next, right? And then yogurt. Yogurt the last ingredient, or strawberry is.
Either one.
I'm gonna do yogurt last because I want yummy fruits and vegetables first. Turn it up. Turn it off.
The final piece de resistance.
Got a rainbow smoothie. On my first try. Thanks everyone. Hope you enjoy your rainbow smoothie. See you next time. Bye.